Have you ever wondered if a robot could sell you a house? It sounds like science fiction, right? But AI is already shaking up the real estate world in some seriously cool ways. Forget dusty old listings and endless open houses. We're talking about a smarter, faster, and more personalized way to find your dream home. So, how does it work? Imagine you're house hunting. Instead of scrolling through thousands of photos, an AI can analyze your preferences, not just the number of bedrooms, but your style, your commute, even the kind of neighborhood vibe you're looking for. It then serves up a curated list of homes that are a perfect match, sometimes even before they officially hit the market. It's like having a personal real estate genie. For sellers, AI is just as game-changing. It can analyze market trends with incredible accuracy to suggest the perfect listing price, ensuring you get the best possible deal. AI-powered tools can also create stunning virtual tours, allowing potential buyers from anywhere in the world to walk through your home as if they were really there. This means more qualified buyers and a quicker sale. And what about the real estate agents? Are they going to be replaced by robots? Not at all. AI is here to be their superpowered assistant. It handles the tedious paperwork and data analysis, freeing up agents to do what they do best: build relationships, negotiate deals, and provide that irreplaceable human touch. It's about combining the best of technology with human expertise. From predicting property values to identifying investment opportunities, AI is making the entire real estate process more efficient and transparent for everyone involved. It's not about replacing people, it's about empowering them with better tools and insights. The future of real estate isn't just about bricks and mortar. It's about bytes and algorithms. What do you think? Would you trust an AI to help you find your next home? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the future of tech.